Hello and welcome to this unboxing of the Huawei P30 Pro. Last year the P20 Pro was probably one of my most favourite devices. It's probably my most used device of 2018. Loved this thing. The cameras on it, just fantastic. And I must get round to doing a review video of it. But we have the P30 Pro, its successor. There are some differences between this and last year's model. This one's got an in-display fingerprint sensor. It doesn't have stereo speakers. It still doesn't have the headphone jack. It's got an IR blaster, which brilliant, absolutely excellent. So I'm hoping that the in-display fingerprint sensor on this will be as quick as last year's model. So it remains to be seen. Also, the camera array is a lot better as well. You've got a unique telephoto lens, which we'll probably get to in. I'll do a video test probably on the next one. So the specifications for this: it's got 8 GB of RAM. It's got a 4,200 mAh battery. So the screen on it, it's a 6.47 inch display. It's 1080p. It's a HDR plus. I'm hoping it's going to be a really good one. So the other specifications, it's running Android 9.0 at the moment. The EMUI, it's Huawei skin, is 9.1. It's got the Kirin 980 processor. I'm looking forward to using that. This particular one's a 128 GB model. It also has a really good fast charging as well. I think it's something like about 70% in 30 minutes, which is crazy. It's a 40-watt fast charging charger that it's got with it. So I'm not going to go into too many of the specs. I just want to get this thing opened up. It's still in its wrapping. So the actual box is pretty much identical to last year's P20 Pro. As you can see, I've got the gold lettering and everything. So right, let's cut this open. I'm hoping that I really like this one. My only reservations with this is really the speaker, because this doesn't have a top firing speaker. The speaker's actually under the display, or the display forms part of the actual speaker. So hoping that works out. I know it didn't work out for a couple of other manufacturers, but let's get this thing open. I've been looking forward to this for months. I've almost got the Mate 20 Pro, but it's the P series that I'm interested in. So this is the device. We're going to just pop that to one side for a minute, make it wait a bit longer. So in the box, got your SIM ejection tool, all your let's have a look. All the instructions. There's your charger. You've got headphones with this as well. It's as you can see, got the icon for the in-display fingerprint scanner. I went with the crystal one. Unwrap this thing. Wow. Let me get these stickers off quickly. Let's get rid of it. 2 stickers. Let's give it a quick shine up. I must admit, I wasn't prepared for that. That is beautiful. I love that gradient design. The actual colour, I don't know if it's coming across on the camera, but it's kind of translucent. Absolutely stunning, it's beautiful. It's, as you can see all around the edges, it's got like a goldy effect around the edges. It seems in this light anyway. What a lovely device. So on the top, you've got your microphone and IR blaster. On the side, volume buttons and your power button. On the bottom, is a little SIM tray, microphone, charging port and speaker. Let's see if we've got any juice in it. Get this turned on. And in fact, let me just go away, put my information in, and I'll come back to you. Right, okay, we're back in. So I've got my information in, and so far it's pretty good. I'll just let you have another look at that colour. I love it. So the fingerprint sensor works pretty quick, and the good thing is works 100% of the time. It's an optical one, so but it seems to work very well. I've changed a couple of bits, so I've got an app drawer on this because I don't like all my stuff all over the screens. So that was the unboxing of the P30 Pro. I'm going to do some camera tests or some videos on the camera, that sort of thing. I've got a couple of screen protectors, a couple of cases. I should be getting some more bits and pieces in. Just give it a good old test and run through and see what I think of it. Obviously I'm quite interested in the P30 and the P20 Pro's test, so that'll be quite a good one, and I look forward to trying out this square periscope camera and obviously the time of flight sensor. So you've got 4 cameras on the back. Such a lovely colour. But that's it for now. And like, share and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when I'm going to drop another video. And I hope to see you again soon. Right, bye for now.